You might want to wash your hands before you make this for your family.
Did you do that? What?
What's up guys, it's Ava and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm doing a super special video that so many people always ask me to do. I did this video last year and you guys really liked it, and I haven't for some reason done one since then. But if you guys follow me on Instagram, you see me cooking all the time. As you can see, I just woke up out of bed, so I am fresh-faced, no makeup on. We're doing it, and I am cooking breakfast. Today's video is going to be a what I eat in a day vegan edition, cooking edition. I'm gonna take you guys through my day and show you guys what I make for breakfast, lunch, and dinner. I feel like I should do these videos a lot more often just because I do cook so many different things and there's literally not enough time in one video. I don't know, maybe I'll do that. I don't know. Freaking butterfly just hit the window. I hate butterflies. Ah! Give this video a big thumbs up if you like when I cook for you guys. Give this video to 100,000 likes. See if we can do that. And other than that, let's get into the video. Let's go cook some breakfast. Yep. Oh, and subscribe. But y'all already knew that. Okay, so for breakfast, we're going to be making Typically for breakfast, I like to make one of two things, either a sweet breakfast like a pancake or a savory breakfast like a toast scramble situation. So today we're going to be making toast with bacon, vegan bacon, of course, some greens, tomatoes, basically just like a BLT. Is that a good way to describe it? BLT? For breakfast, we're going to be making a vegan BLT, bacon, lettuce, tomato. Yeah. For this, you're going to need some bread. For bread, I use Dave's Killer Bread, thin sliced 21 whole grains and seeds. This bread, guys, is the only bread I buy. Kale. You can use spinach, kale, arugula. I hate arugula, but you do you. You're going to need a tomato, fake bacon if you want. I actually never liked fake meats at all. I didn't mess with them. And then I decided, you know, why not just try out some fake bacon? And this bacon is so good. My mom is obsessed with like real bacon, that's her thing. And I made her try this and she literally could not shut up about it for like 30 minutes. She was like, you will also. You don't need it, but like if you want your life to be that much better, you need the Kite Hill vegan ricotta. This stuff I could eat like ice cream. It is so good. Put this on everything. It's so good. Oh my God. Now, if you want to make like a tofu scramble, if you want kind of like an egg situation, I usually use extra firm tofu, but today we're not going to do that because I'm too lazy for that. And of course, for any amazing breakfast to start your day, you need your iced coffee. I want to tell you guys how I make my coffee. It's very simple. We're just gonna get that out of the way. First thing you'll need is the coffee. If you're lazy and you don't want to like make your coffee, which I totally get, and I don't want to make my coffee every day, you also don't want to spend like $4 every day for coffee. You should probably get something like this, a giant jug of iced black coffee. This stays good in your refrigerator for literally months, so you basically don't have to make coffee for like months. Now the next thing. If you do want to make your coffee, you should get a French press. If you're looking for a good brand of coffee, then use the Bulletproof Original Coffee. This is the coffee that I make out of my French press. I don't really like creamer in my coffee, and I really don't like vegan creamers, but the other day, I found this creamer, guys, this creamer is so good, so delicious, dairy-free oat milk creamer and creamy vanilla. Do yourself a favor. If you take away like one thing from this video, buy this, and put this on everything. All right, let's make our BLT. First thing you do, take a piece of bread, put it in the toaster. So we're gonna be making the bacon on the stove. It is super easy. Cool thing about this bacon is that you don't have to take a long time to cook it because it's not from an animal. So it kind of just like cooks really quick. Y'all know real bacon takes forever to make. What, Hanalei? There you go. To make the bacon, I'm also gonna use some coconut oil. The bacon looks like this. I know it looks crusty. Ready for this, guys? It is that simple. It literally takes like It's literally that simple though. Like that took 5 minutes to make bacon. How long does it take to make real bacon in your house? A long time. We're going to take our vegan ricotta, smear it on the toast. Next, we're gonna add some chia seeds, some crispy bacon, salt, some black pepper, and voila. Ah, it is that simple, people. Oh. So that was breakfast. I'm gonna continue to eat this and finish it. Riley's coming over for lunch today. I'll see you guys at lunch. Riley's here.
Hello.
Hey. Trying to figure out what I want to make for lunch today.
Cause we hungry.
We hungry. Actually, I'm not. I ate breakfast like an hour ago.
I'm literally not either.
Well, we could go out somewhere. We can go get like a smoothie or
Yeah,
something.
I feel like I would get a smoothie for lunch anyway.
Smoothie for lunch?
Yes, that's more realistic too, because in a day I don't think either of us are cooking all 3 meals.
That's true.
If you go to Sun Life's Yelp, that's when I worked there.
Oh my god! Now we're gonna go to Sun Life and be customers.
B-roll. Why are there so many? Why are there so many? Mukbang for Shapetus who?
I got the peanut butter chocolate smoothie because it's filled with protein.
I got the Mystic.
This tastes like ice cream. I think we belong with the turtles.
There's already too many of them.
Riley, tell us about your metal straw.
I keep it with me everywhere I go, and I put it in my smoothie. Do you have an issue with that? It's a bit hard to suck right now, but I'm saving the planet. This is just destroying the planet. This paper straw here. Good job.
Yeah, but that you can't even get the thing through.
It's working.
No, it's not. We have an issue.
I'm trying to blow it out the other end.
How's your metal straw?
Oh.
Ew. How's it going?
Not very good. I might have to go get a paper. I'm a fraud, but I can blend in. Which ones taste the best?
Okay, so it's a little bit later. We're gonna be cooking dinner for you.
This ice.
So around this time of day, I basically just like look in my refrigerator and say, what can I throw together? And Riley and I like to call that jail slop.
That's all we make is jail slop.
Baked mac and cheese.
Baked mac and cheese.
With zucchini. That's gonna be so
Ooh.
good.
Hey, MTV. Hey
And
guys,
then-
welcome back to my corner of Ava's house, the pantry.
Is this the good angle?
It looks like paranormal activity.
We're gonna need protein powder because obviously we want that protein.
Are we actually putting that in there?
Duh. I put it in everything I make. So along with the mac and cheese, I think we should also make bread pudding for a little after, like dessert. It's fall. We should be festive.
Why do we have a food baby before we've even eaten? I've already unbuttoned.
Step number 1, make your noodles. From father to son.
You can be my son. Boy.
Boy,
Let me teach you how to make this pasta. It's been in the family since 1886. From father to son.
So basically you're trying to get your cheese like all melted, you know? We're using the Daya cheeses.
This is my favorite vegan cheese that Ava gets. It's Mioko's garlic herb.
It's literally expired. It's been expired for like
2 week
2
expired.
weeks, but it's never been opened, so like I think we're good.
This is what happens when you work with what you've got.
It's vegan cheese. It's not even, it doesn't
I think
count.
like a suggestion.
Yeah.
It's like, try to eat it by this date. It's going well.
Oops, just used vanilla creamer and mac and cheese.
Oh my god. Wow.
Pour it all over the mac and cheese. Mix it up until all the pasta has cheese on it. I'm just gonna mix the zucchini in to get a little bit of greens.
We zone.
Last thing to do with your pasta is to just add breadcrumbs that are gonna get like crispy in the oven. Everyone loves a good crunchy mac and cheese. Really can't like go overboard with the breadcrumbs. We're gonna add tomato sauce on top of our mac and cheese. It's gonna taste like grilled cheese dipped in like tomato soup. I've never seen mac and cheese with tomato sauce on it.
No, me neither.
But
that should be a new thing. Do you need help?
what the heck? Okay, you try.
Whoa.
Does that actually work?
It's a little trick.
Who taught you that?
My mom. Oh.
We don't value sanitation in this kitchen.
Nope.
Or like botulism, so. Oh wait, that's with chickens.
I thought botulism is from your car.
So you might want to wash your hands before you like make this for your family.
Did you do that? What? Excuse me. Excuse me.
In it goes. Now that the macaroni and cheese is in the oven, it's time to work on the pumpkin bread pudding. You are going to need some pumpkin, some bread slices, maple syrup, cinnamon, nutmeg, a little bit of ginger, allspice, vanilla extract. If you want, you can add like vegan chocolate chips. We need milk. We need a whole cup. I knew we were gonna need some milk.
Oh, he needs some milk.
Okay, what kind? I'll go get it.
Oh my god, what?
Who is that?
Good. Is he alive? He's alive! Oh, he's kind of cute. He looks like a little flower.
Yeah, can we let him go? Wait, what kind of spider only has
1, 2, 3,
6
4, 5,
legs?
6. Maybe he lost 2 in a battle. Oh crap, we're gonna need cloves too. Cloves. So you're gonna take your bread in a stack and then you're just gonna cut 1-inch squares.
Ew. Can we invite Mama G to help us?
Hi Mom. Riley and I are making mac and cheese and pumpkin bread pudding if you want to come over.
I just ate.
Oh. Okay, so while we wait for Riley, I'm also going to make some icing for the pumpkin bread pudding. Now, I know that you're probably thinking that making icing vegan would be really difficult and not taste good, but I'm gonna show you guys how to make icing that's really, really good, tastes amazing, and also tastes really like, I don't want to say it tastes healthy because I feel like that's gonna make you think it tastes gross. Tastes like you're not doing something bad, you know? You're gonna need extra firm tofu, maple syrup, some cashews, but today I'm gonna use peanuts, some vanilla extract, a little bit of lemon juice. If you want to be like super fancy, put vanilla beans in it, but it's not necessary. Okay, so basically we're gonna put all this in a blender and then blend it up. It's like that simple. Once you've mixed up your pumpkin bread pudding like mixture, then you add the bread. So just like mix around your bread until every inch is covered. It's literally that easy. I'm just gonna add some marshmallows on it. No!
Those fingers are going right back in my pumpkin slop.
Oh. How much do you want, Riley?
That's good. We can always come back. There's always second slops.
Okay, the basil's kind of like old, but I'm still gonna put some on.
Et voilà.
Et voila! Bon appétit!
Merci beaucoup.
Du por los hermanos. Du por nous. Du por nous.
Oh my god. Wow.
The zucchini in it adds like juiciness.
Why do I eat so disgusting? Rise and shine. I would rise and shine for this any day. Gordon Ramsay approved.
I think you would tell me to put more salt in it. You need more salt. Absolutely impeccable.
I thought he only insults people. Honestly, you should like shove this in my casket when I die. Jam a little bit in there.
I'll make you a little Tupperware.
I have like a nice, beautiful open casket with like roses around me, and you walk up and just dump like.
I'll make sure to put some in your grave.
Definitely. That sure looks like slop to me.
So it's the end of the night. We have just finished the pumpkin bread pudding.
Are we trying it? Whoa! That was so good. I would say we, but like me, mostly, did a really good job on making this. Wait.
So that is it for this video. If you guys enjoyed this video, give this video a big thumbs up so I know to do more of these types of videos. I said videos like 5 times right there. Also, if you guys want me to do more vegan cooking videos, let me know in the comments down below because I have recipes for literally days. And if you guys like this video and you want to see me cooking more, head over to my Instagram and check on the Chef Ava highlight because I have all the foods that I make in there. And yeah, if you guys want to see the vlog from today and last week and all of that fun stuff, that'll be in the description box below. I'm also vlogging this Hawaii trip, so you guys can see that as well. And yeah, other than that, I love you guys so much, and I'll see you guys next week, actually in a couple days, because I'm uploading in like 3 days, so you might want to turn the notification bell on too. I'll see you guys in a few days. Bye!